Hey everyone, welcome to InfoBoosts 101 or InfoBoosts for beginners. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your InfoBoosts for the first time. Now you're going to come to this page when you log in. If you're not at this page, just look on the left here under app, click on active InfoBoosts. And we're going to set up our first InfoBoost right now. We're going to click on add InfoBoost, the green button. There's 4 menus at the top here to pick from. The first one we're going to set up is probably the most important. It's called a personal custom InfoBoost. So we're going to click on custom, then we're going to click on demand. I'm going to click on Spark Scan InfoBoost. Your Spark is created from 2 inputs, including voice frequency pattern, which we're going to do right now, and then your kinetic response data. So we're going to hit continue. For your first personalized custom InfoBoost, just do what it says here. Just talk about yourself. You know, like my name is Daniel. I'm going to actually do it right now. So I'm going to hit start recording. My name is Daniel Butts. I have brown hair, brown eyes. I'm 5'6". I wear a size 8.5. And there we are. We're done. Now it says, please wait while we process your recording. Just hit this re-record if you want to do it again. We did it right, so we're going to hit continue, the green button. Now, this is the kinetic response data. See this little colorful little thing right there? We're going to click on that or touch it depending on your screen. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it. Now we're done. And that's it. We just set up a Spark scan. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a description. I'm going to call this Limbic's pick. Actually, I'm going to call it personal boost, because this is our personal custom boost. Our body's picking these things. This is really cool. Watch this. So the duration defaults to 7 days. We're going to change this to, let's go with 10 days. And you can see right here what my body picked. Right at the top is rice bran extract. Now, if you want to know what rice bran extract does, you can just click on it. It can help lower cholesterol, contains an antioxidant, and helps decrease cholesterol absorption and increase cholesterol elimination. So there's a good chance I might have high cholesterol right now because that's the top. That's what my body just picked. Let's see what this one does. Support for sound healing, antibacterial, blood pressure regulation, and skin wellness. So you can see it's going to pick 10. By default, it picks 10. Just go with those 10. So you can go through these and click on them and see what your body is asking for right now. Now what we're going to do is just click activate. And there you go. There's your custom boost. It's going to end in 9 days. It's a 10-day InfoBoost. So now what we're going to do, you can have up to 3 InfoBoosts going at one time. So let's add another InfoBoost. So what we're going to do is click on add InfoBoost again. First, we're going to pick something here. Now, the personalized custom InfoBoost really gets to the root of stuff in your body. Your body's picking things and it's getting to the root of things we may not even know is going on, whereas this is really dealing with symptoms. Maybe you're in pain, right? So we'll go to pain relief. I'm not in pain, but if you chose pain relief, it's a library of virtual items associated with products believed to help ease aches and pains. Multi-nutrition. This is like multivitamins. It's like taking a multivitamin. Sleep. If you're having issues sleeping, you can choose sleep. This is the middle of the day, so I do not want to choose sleep. I wouldn't recommend choosing sleep during the day. Weight. This one's really cool. I'm going to choose this one. Information believed to help achieve and maintain a healthy weight. What this does for me, my experience with it, is it removes my appetite. I'm not as hungry, so I have smaller servings. Now we're going to have 2 choices. We're doing weight. You can choose Spark Scan InfoBoost, which we're not going to do, right? We're only going to choose this one down here. We don't want to do another Spark Scan for 10 days. So we're going to choose InfoBoost, the green one, and it chooses it for you. It's going to, these are all predefined ingredients. There's a lot of them, and we're just going to keep them all. We're just going to leave it how it is. We can leave it run 7 days, or we can change it. I'm going to change this one to 10 days. I may not leave it running 10 days because these ones we can change out. But I'm just going to activate it. I'm going to hit activate, and it's done. That's how simple this one is. These ones are predefined ingredients. And these ones, during the 10 days that the other one's running, you can change them out. If I pick energy right now, I'm not going to want to leave energy on tonight because it's a library of virtual items believed to help with feeling refreshed throughout the day. So you don't want to feel refreshed during the night when you're trying to sleep. Same with focus. Actually, I'm going to use focus. It's a library of virtual items associated with products believed to help with staying on task. And I really like focus, so I'm going to use this one. Again, I'm only using the green one that says InfoBoost, and it's going to have pre-selected ingredients for me that are already there. And I'm going to choose, well, it doesn't matter because it's focus. So I'm actually going to cancel this tonight. I'll show you how to do that too. So I'm going to activate it. Okay, so now I have focus, weight, and custom. This is what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to end this focus tonight. So what I'll do is I'll hit the X in the top right. And do I want to cancel? Yes. Okay, now it's gone. So now I'm going to add another one. If it was tonight, I would go in here and I would add sleep. And then in the morning, I would cancel the sleep and put on energy or focus. If you're stressed, stress relief works really good for me. If you have allergies, there's allergies here. Yeah, so I'm going to put back focus because I really like focus or energy on during the day. InfoBoost. So now I got focus, weight loss, and custom. The other thing we want to do, this is what I want you to do, is go on the left menu here and go to app settings. InfoBoost notifications, you're going to want these on. This is really important. What this is we're going to set this up for every 2 hours from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's not that I forget they're on, but what this does, every 2 hours, I'm going to get a reminder. If you're in the United States or Canada, you can set this up to your phone number. If you are outside of the United States and Canada, you can set it up to your email. And what it'll do is it'll notify you every 2 hours which boosts you have running. Why is this important? Because what it does is it connects your subconscious with your conscious. It's training your conscious part of your brain to work in a relationship with your subconscious. That's why we want this every 2 hours, and then you can go look at it consciously and see it's there, and it'll help that relationship. So you want those on, all of these. Congratulations, you just set up 3 boosts and you're on your way to wellness without boundaries.